Tripura hasteni rungnok ni bisingo monggrang kaisa rungnok ongkha Bhavans Tripura hasteni rungbedekno hamkhai khlaiwi tongo o rungnok thangnai 20 sini bisiwo kwbangma rung srwngnai jiksong o rungnok ni nokharei tabok hakotor tei fatar hakotor ro thangui sebok khlaiwi tongo rungbedekni naisingmungo o rungnok hasteni fatar hasteo pirjakui tongo hakotor ni montri bokrok Narendra Modi waina saka chene hakotor ni thinang jerokni thaniwo borokno toidulei naikoloi tongo phorngnai jiksong hanai human values no toiwi phurungui tongo borok Tangsalo Agartala Narsinghar ni Bhavans Tripura Vidyamondir thangui abo haikeno shakha eba abo haikeno samani nukjakha hasteni montri okra Dr.Manik Saha no Bhavans Tripura Vidyamondir ni 28 bishi songchama salno kitingui runok buskango Saraswati Mondir ni foundation stone no fyogui rekha hasteni montri okra o pandao montri okra no karibu manjakmani nukjakha Agartala Municipal Corporation Mayor Deepak Majumdar no
I am extremely happy to be present in Bhavans Tripura. At the outset, I congratulate and thank all of you on the 28th Foundation Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Already my previous speakers have put down the history of Bhavans Tripura, how it has been set up in Tripura. We know that the Bhavans Tripura is a state of art in Tripura. We already heard that thousands of students have passed from this school and established in different fields in abroad, the country and state as well. These institutions have already earned the name and fame of our state across the state and the country. I am extremely enjoyed the different kinds of cultural activity performed by our beloved students of this institution. This is the first time that I have come here because of your invitation. For this again I give my thanks. And our Honorable Prime Minister always says that the future of the country will be in the hands of those who will have value-based education and which have been provided by the revered teachers of this institution. You know, by the grace of our God, that our country, when it was Akhanda Bharat,
Hakotor ni montri bokrok Narendra Modi ni naikolmung bai hasteni rungbedek ni hamkhrani bagai sakthari samang khlaiwi tongo haste hafang rungnogo surungmung paimani yaglo kaisa ba kainei kaitham private eba coaching class o thangui tongo tabuk ni rung srungnai jiksong abono toiwi bo asalo kogna rekha hasteni montri eba montri okra Dr.Manik Saha boteibo saka sakbai thangni sakao poito tongke alada khlaiwi coaching naharnani dorkar kari rungnogo surungmungni yaglo haino hai tuition o thangke sakbai thangnogo surungna ni jora mania rung srungnai jiksong aboni bagaino daikti kheno lengjagai sagrok hamya ango honai shakha montri aboni bagaino private tuition mothangna ni bagai koika hasteni montri okra Dr.Manik Saha
after finishing of this period of the class, they again go to the private tuition. So in this regard, I am telling you that you don't go to private tuition. Don't try to go to private tuition. Because in your institution, everything is taught by you revered teacher. So this is a practice. This has been a practice for a long time in Tripura. So from our the government of Tripura, we are trying to finish this practice and to stop this practice. So I think this is your birthday also. I should say this is the foundation day. It is not like that. This is the birthday of your institution. And in birthday, you have to have some pledge. What our one of the speaker, he was telling that you have to pledge what you should do in future for the sake of the state, for the sake of the country, what you are going to do. And in every birthday, you have to have some pledge. So I think you do it. But this is the first time that I have come here, and I am really overwhelmed the way you have welcomed me and the scenario, what I have seen, the performance, what I have seen, and even I have seen this academic activity over here. And for this, I am again grateful to you that you have invited me to come. And with this, and in you, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Hasteno naikolmani loge loge hasteni shikla shikli rone faising bo mokol kaisonoi tongo hasteni rwng montri eba montri okra Dr.Manik Saha Tangsalo rwng juksone bisingo kabangma category wo shokat tisawi rekhabo aboni loge wo Gandhi jini asema salbo palai rekhaboro Bureau report Kokkhora